Alright, I want to do a little video on this little swing I did here. Actually, it's a big swing. This one is 5 feet overall width. So you need a big porch, but you about have to do 5 feet to get the cup holders in the middle. This was a lady wanted this thing, so you know I didn't just build it on my own. What I did was just build these cup holders up from the bottom of the swing to be level with the arms, and that bottom piece there measured 13.5, and then I cut I think it was about a 20-degree angle on the back of this and put a little scrap piece down here to attach it to. Came out here even with the arms. That was what, 25 inches. And I routed all this off, all the edges. These little cup holders she had, I was going to do another one of these. I would do it differently, but I just put a 2 3/4 inch hole in it and routed it out, and had to get it just a little bit bigger to fit her needs. But I was going to do it again. I'll just put a 2 3/4 inch hole and affix a little scrap block down there to catch the bottom of the cup. But I just wanted to give you a look at this swing. It's definitely something different. I'd never seen one before. And if I do another one of these, I had a couple people interested. So I'll probably do a build on this cup holder design. But like I said, you got to go out 5 feet to have enough room. And basically it's just a 2-person swing with armrest cup holders in the middle. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a good day. And if you hadn't subscribed to my channel, please do. Thanks.